Hariom
All right.
Manibhai, hope everyone is doing fine and everybody is safe. I'm Bharat Gajra along with Kailash Bhai Gajra. We are here to share an update about Bhanu Think Tank Group. This is our upcoming event coming December 26th, evening 7 p.m. So, Kailash Bhai, can you just share what is this entire event, Educate to Cultivate, about? I mean, can you just give us some more detail about it?
Absolutely, Bharat Bhai. Hello, everyone. Thank you for being part of this event, Educate to Cultivate by Bhanu Think Tank. Bhanu Think Tank is nothing but you guys. All of the members of this group is a think tank, and together, we are part of this event. Before I tell a little bit more about this event, let me quickly share a few things about Sri Kachi Bhanushali Seva Samaj Trust, our Matru Sanstha. Bhanu Samaj has been working tirelessly since last 90 plus years, right, in various fields, and in particular education, where Param Pujya Sant Sri Odharam Education Foundation, OEF, right, has been formed 25 years ago. This year is 25th anniversary for OEF. OEF is focused completely on education. All the education related activities of Bhanu Samaj has been done by OEF. We've been doing a lot of activities, right? Career guidance seminar for 9th grader to 12th grader, Protsahan event, to prepare for the job market, overseas education seminar, that is BOSS, basically, cultural event, sports event, parenting seminar, and many things about scholarships also, right? That every year many students get scholarship from Samaj for the education. And apart from that, Bharat Bhai, all of our hostels, yeah, all the activities that education related activities across hostels, basically in Bhuj, Jamnagar, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Pune, has been monitored and proactively conducted by OEF. What the senior team thought about this year, that why not basically do one brainstorming session, one planning event, right? That is nothing but the Educate to Cultivate, where we invite all the Bhanushali experts. You are all expert in your field. Let us come together basically for a couple of hours, talk about education, only education. And what we need to talk about is each one of us is going to get time to speak up, that what should Bhanu Samaj do in next 3 years to take the education to the next level, right? We need to improve education in the Samaj. What do we need to do? Like you can give your suggestions, like Samaj needs to do tie up with educational institutes, or our students need the education loan, so how can we make it even better? How can we improve our infrastructure so that it supports new educational related fields and all that. So this event is all about brainstorming. You guys will be sharing your suggestions, and we will be discussing the same. And at the end of the meeting, we'll prepare a nice planning document that will be helpful. We will submit to Bhanu Samaj that this is what we Bhanu Think Tank think, that these are the steps that Samaj needs to take to go to that next level. Bharat Bhai.
Great, Kailash Bhai. I think this is what is needed at present. This will help Samaj scale new heights in education, and will put our Samaj on track to get this next growth everywhere. See, after the pandemic situation, the student community is hurt very badly. They need the direction. They need what is relevant after 10 years, 12 years. The job market is going to change. The entire situation around the world might will be very different. So I think if the think tank can bring us their perspective to the education, what is relevant after 10 years, 12 years, I think this can help our Samaj students immensely. I wish everybody is ready with their suggestion ideas, and they just give us the direction in which we can move and progress. The Samaj will be very thankful to them.
Absolutely. Right. Thank you everybody. We both just wanted to share this message with you so that everyone is well prepared what to expect during this particular event. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, now the group is open so that you can post your question. I would also request you guys to post your quick introduction. So you can write your name, what is your occupation, what is your education, and after that you can write 3 suggestions. Let's do that. Write your 3 suggestions that you think that you would like to speak during the event. So thank you everybody. Hari Om.
Thank you Kailash bhai. Thank you everybody.